You smoked and you looked at me. I hate it when you do. I said no thanks to you. You asked me if I was okay. What if I wasn't? Living is fine. It's just I don't wanna be over myself again, like every time, like every last time. You knew that I was no good for you. When we lay down after doing the things you love, you knew that I wasn't better than you. I hope that I could be seen really fine with you leaving. Struck me and stared at me. I like it when you do. I said I know you love me too. I ask you if you are the same. What if I quit it? Living is fine. It's just I don't wanna be falling behind again, like every time, like every moment in the end. You knew that I was no good for you. When we lay down after doing the things you love, you knew that I wasn't better than you. I hope that I could be seen really fine with you leaving. Suddenly, all the things seems complicated. You could only fix it, but my lips won't let me tell the truth. Tell me how not to get hurted or broken, even if you cannot fall loving me anymore. You knew that I was no good for you. When we lay down after doing the things you love, you knew that I wasn't better than you. I hope that I could be seen really fine with you leaving. You smoked and you looked at me. I hate it when you do.
안녕하세요. 현재 서울여자대학교 재학 중인 수학과 김서영입니다. 처음 들었을 때부터 이 노래를 굉장히 부르고 싶었는데 제가 현재 속해 있는 밴드부에서는 이 노래를 하기에는 한계가 있을 것 같아서 아쉬운 마음을 가지고 있었는데 이번 좋은 기회를 통해서 이 노래를 불러보고 싶어서 선곡하게 되었습니다. 저는 예전부터 기타를 사서 노래랑 기타를 같이 연주하고 싶다는 생각을 항상 했었는데요. 그래서 이번 연도에는 꼭 기타를 새로 사고 싶습니다. 제가 학우분들께 추천드리고 싶은 노래는 카더가든의 Home Sweet Home이라는 노래입니다. 왜냐하면 가사도 너무 예쁘고 저랑 비슷한 취향을 가지신 분들이라면 무조건 좋아하실 것 같아서 추천하게 되었습니다. 좋은 기회를 얻어서 신기한 경험을 하고 가서 너무 기분이 좋고 원하고자 하는 일 학우분들께서 다 이루셨으면 좋겠습니다.